my testimonial of this first rocket pizza. I've never tried this before, but it actually looks really good. So let's just see.
Wow!
This is nice. This one is the chicken wood one. And it's actually really effective for family events because you can cut it the way you want it. And also you can have as many portions as you want because it's long. That's really nice. So